Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. Good afternoon, lovers of freedom. Uh, I want to use this privilege to give you this information. It's very, very important. Please endeavor to share this information to your brother, your sister, your cousin, your friend, your neighbor, your loved one, especially those who are staying in Biafra land. The enemies of Biafra have strategized a different strategies to kill and destroy the life and property in the land of Biafra. And so therefore do not take this information as a propaganda. It's fact and real. Avoid any fuel tanker that you see on the road or anywhere close to your residence. Avoid it. This is the new strategies Fulani are brought to eliminate so many youth or so many lives of Biafrans. Take this information very, very important and share it. Avoid every fuel tanker, gas tanker. Avoid it. That brought these strategies to destroy lives of our uh, youth. Please, I've seen that some of you, because of the hardship they put you into, you'll be rushing to take fuel, not knowing that you are gambling with your life. It is very risky. Take this information very, very important. Anywhere you see fuel tanker and gas tanker, please give a distance to that tanker. While men on ground are planning what to do in order to minimize the risk of endangering the lives of Biafrans. That is a very important message. In any way, any mode, anyhow, then take come. We are 100 steps ahead of them. I told you that this war is last fight. And in last fight, it have not been easy. Last fight is the most strongest fight, and which mean that they will try all they could to stop us. But at the end, Biafra will emerge. Share this message until it reach everybody. Again, I've told you before, stop working late in the night. Stop working late in the night. Please endeavor to reach your house before 7 o'clock in the evening, because those who doesn't believe Biafra land is under seal and serious war will only remember when the enemy of Biafra catch you late in the night, where men are not there to rescue you. As we do, you know that we cannot be in everywhere at the same time. But in time, I'm here to assure you that all this will not last long. The enemies of Biafra will disappear within 2 hours. That is the assurance. Biafra is a project that can never be abandoned. Biafra is a project that must reach its destination. And until Biafra is fully restored, Nigeria will have no peace. They will see no peace. And anybody that combines forces with Nigeria will see no peace. Yes. That is the important message. Stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe. Be wise. Be security conscious. For those of you who have been giving us information, we appreciate your own effort. That is your own duty. Chukwukika Abiyama will never put us into shame. He will lead us see the end, as he always be by our side. This is the land of our ancestors. In this land of Biafra, believe you me, we go nowhere. We will defeat every enemies of Biafra. And believe me, at the end, all must hate Biafra. They know that we are serious. They know that we are serious. And we are never going to bow down to any pressure. Neither are we going to bow down to any intimidation. We are above that. We will fight this fight to the end. Until Biafra is free, totally free, there will be no peace for the wicked. Share this message and remain safe. The regard from General Butuzo. We greet all of you. Believe you me, your prayer is also needed. Don't fail to pray for men on ground, always and always. Because it takes the grace and the strength of Chukwukika Abiyama to fight for humanity. And our ancestors is our strength. And the land whom we have vowed to protect can never leave us alone. Until then, nobody, no enemies of Biafra will see peace. No Biafra, no peace. The earlier they understand this, the better for everybody.